Hello everyone, today we are going to solve Leetcode problem number 769, maximum chunks to make sorted. You are given an integer array ARR of length n that represent a permutation of integer in the range 0 to n minus 1. We split ARR into some numbers of chunks, that is partitions, and individually sort each chunks after concatenating them. The result should equal to the sorted array. Return the largest number of chunks we can make to the sorted array. Let's see example. Okay, this. Okay, let's discuss our approach. What we will do, we will maintain a stack of elements. The element will be the maximum value of each chunks. So for that we will take a stack, and in that we will check whether the top of the element is greater or less. If it is less, then what we will do, we will simply insert the value. Otherwise we will pop it until we get a lesser value. So let's see how it will work. For example, this one, yeah, since it is empty, so we will simply insert it. And now let's check for 0. Since it is less value, so what we will do, we will pop the first value and store in a variable, and remaining all other values should be popped until we get an empty stack, or a top of the stack is less, so it is empty. So we'll simply remove 0 now, and we will insert 1 again. Since 1 and 0 will be forming a chunk, and the maximum value of that chunk will be 1. Now let's check for 2. Since it is greater, we will simply insert 3. For 3 it is also greater, we will insert. For 4 we will insert. Now let's check one more example. We will make change in this only, 2 and 0. In this the chunks forming will be 1 comma 2 comma 0 and 3 and 4. So let's see how it will work. For 1 it will we will simply insert. For 2, since it is greater, then we will insert. Till second iteration there are two chunks available. As soon as we will go for 0, then the 0 is less than the top of the stacks, so it will merge with this stack only. So sorry, it will merge with these chunks only. So let's check until what chunks it is merging. So what we will do, we will pop this 2 and store in a variable for later use. Now we will pop the remaining elements. We'll pop the remaining elements until we get a value of stack top less than the current value. So it is greater, so we will pop it, and we will remove this 0 also, and we will simply insert 2 again, because it is the chunks forming is 1 2 0, and the highest value is 2. So now we will check for 3. We will simply insert since it is greater. For 4 also we will simply insert. Okay, now let's code it. We need a stack, If st dot empty, if it is empty, then and st dot, sorry, or st dot top. If it is less than I, then we will simply insert st dot push I. If it is less, then what we will do, we will take a variable max chunk that will be equals to st dot top, and we will pop st dot empty until it is empty, or until it is not empty and st dot top is greater than I. Then what we will do, we will simply st dot pop. Okay, now after popping, we have to insert the maximum value in the stack, st dot push max chunk. Okay, now we will simply return st dot size. Okay, now let's check it. Okay, now let's submit. Okay, let's analyze the time complexity. The time complexity for this is O of n, as simply we are iterating only one time, but space complexity is O of n, because when we are given an array like this, for example 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, then five there will be five chunks, so we need to store this whole array in the stack, so it will occupy O of n space. That's all everyone, thank you.